Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute Instagram notifications for 1 hour using the latest update on the PC app. If you're working, studying, or just need a short break from constant alerts, this feature is perfect for staying focused without completely turning notifications off. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will appear. From there, click on Settings to access your account options. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you control everything related to alerts and activity updates. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section gives you more control over how and when Instagram sends you notifications. At the very top, you'll see an option called Pause All. This is the feature we're looking for. Turn it on, and Instagram will give you a few time options. Select 1 hour from the list.